Hey guys, and welcome to this video. And to this video, I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger app. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment to the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. Now, first and foremost, I need to head over to your Facebook Messenger app. So open your Facebook Messenger app. Okay, so your Facebook Messenger, now tap on this three-line icon at the top left hand of your screen. So now after tapping on it, now tap on the settings. Okay, so now on your settings, now you need to scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. Okay, so after tapping on it, now you need to scroll, no, not need to scroll safe. On this who can reach you section, you see blocked account under restricted account. Okay, tap on blocked accounts. So let's wait for this to load. Okay, let's wait. As you can see, it has successfully loaded. Now as you can see, these are accounts I blocked. Okay, Michael Andres, I blocked this account. Now just tap on the Michael Andres. So now as you can see, now select this unblock on Facebook, tap on it. So as you can see, unblock on Facebook, you can add Michael. Okay, you can add Michael as a Facebook friend after unblocking. Okay, you're not able to block Michael again for 48 hours. Okay, so now just tap on unblock. So guys, as easy as this, now you have unblocked someone from on Facebook Messenger app. Okay, so guys, before I conclude, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment to the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.